got my long layered haircut here. And I'm going to show you how to use texturizing shears to lighten it up, personalize it, give it a little bit of, flavor, if you will. Let me tell you first, this haircut, without doing anything else, is perfectly fine. You could stop right here, you could curl it up, you could style it, you could take your photos, put them on Instagram, all that good jazz. They will be a happy camper with this haircut. It is a long, one length haircut, but with long layers in it. If you need to, for reference, go back, watch that video so you know what the haircut is. But then we're going to take this haircut, we're going to use our texturizing shears and give it just a little bit more personality. Again, what I would do is I would look at the hair, see where it's clumping down, and see where I want to give it some lightness, if you will. So let's start around the face, because usually that's where people tend to feel like they have bulk. I would not use the texturizing shears within an inch of the front. I just wouldn't. You're going to get yourself in trouble. I just wouldn't. You can go in and personalize it if you want to with your shears later, if you want a point cut or something like that. But until you have a little bit more control and know what you're doing, just don't do the very front. I am going to take a vertical section right behind that 1 inch. And again, with texturizing shears, rule number one, what is it? Rule of halves. Make sure that you find your halfway mark. This is your halfway mark. You're only going to texturize from the halfway point to the end. You are not going to touch this area of the hair. Please, please, please do not. And again, with texturizing shears, less is more. Please don't go in there and just start going to town. Close, 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 close. You will ruin the hair. You'll ruin the haircut. You will shatter the ends. Now, there are haircuts that you want that, like the octopus haircut or the shag, but this is not that haircut. This haircut is a long layer. This haircut is just meant for movement, maybe throw some beachy waves in there, give a little bit more movement to it. That's what it is, okay? It's not face framing. It's not any of that. It's just long layers. So here's what we're going to do. Halfway apart, and we're going to go in. I would hold it at an angle, but I'm going to show you straight up and down so you can see it. 1, maybe 2, okay? Maybe 2. And that lightens that ends up. And then you can kind of flick them around, see how they're laying. Are they laying? Are they moving? Are they doing what you want it to do? And then take a little bit more. Bring it out. Straight out, okay? 1, maybe 2. That's it. Depends on how thick their hair is. If they've got really thin hair, you want to grab yourself, and I do have them, I just don't have them. I'd have to go grab them. Thinning shears that have wider teeth, maybe 10 teeth. These I think have like 20, let's say 20. I don't know how many they have, but they have ones that have wider teeth on them. The wider the teeth, the less hair they take out. So if she had thinner hair than this girl, you would want wider teeth to take out less hair. Or you could just do one cut and pull that out. But I would do this the whole way around the head. See what I get. Make sure you're not cutting halfway. Okay? Shake it, and it looks good. I really think it looks good. Oh, one other way you might want to do this too is follow your haircut. So with this haircut, we did a mohawk section down the middle, and that was what we cut our angles for our haircut. All right, so it's coming up, it's coming straight up, and you could see the 45-degree angle. Drop just the front. Remember, I don't want you to texturize the front, but then go, this is halfway, go in there, and that's what you're texturizing. So you can do it that way too, if you feel like you need a little bit more. And when you follow the guide of the haircut that's already in there, very successful. Hope this helped. I really hope you're getting a lot out of this series. I'm enjoying making this for you. It is really the foundation of your hairstyling career is to learn these haircuts so you can do them in your sleep. Because once you get the general idea of what these haircuts are actually doing and what they look like on different head shapes, something goes off in your brain. It's like when we do algebra in high school, it's like, I don't know about you, it never dinged in my brain. It never made sense. But you know, when you finally get something and it's that aha moment, that light bulb moment, same thing will happen. You'll do these over and over, and then all of a sudden it starts making sense. And then you could take and do maybe long layers with, add it to a different one, or maybe you're going to do a pixie cut underneath with a bob on top. You know, you can get real creative, but it starts making sense. So if you know a hairstylist friend who needs some help, share these videos with her or him. Give them this opportunity to learn as well. It's free education, right? If you don't have an education program in your salon, or even if you do, tell your salon owner about these videos. You guys can watch them in the break room. I don't care. Use the videos to train the rest of the stylists in the salon. Yeah, it's a system that you can follow. And if you don't have an education program in your salon, or if you're a salon owner and you're struggling to get one going, guess what? I have the Salon Success System. Under $100, it is a outline, a program that tells you exactly how to take a brand new stylist to behind the chair within 3 months and have the confidence that they're not going to ruin your reputation, and they're going to have the confidence to set themselves up for success. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. This is the same system I used in my salons. You're going to love it. So anyway, thank you again for being here. Hope this all helped. And always remember, when you know better, you do better.
Quick question. Do you ever feel overwhelmed trying to train new hires while also running your salon, serving clients, and keeping your team motivated? Yeah, you're not alone. I've been there too. You see, when a new stylist walks in, you want to help them succeed, but without a plan, it becomes chaotic. You're making it up as you go, answering the same questions over and over, and still feeling unsure if they're actually progressing. That's exhausting, and honestly, it holds your whole salon back. That's exactly why I created the Salon Success System, a self-paced online course that shows you how to build a simple, structured, in-salon training program that actually works. This isn't theory. It's the real system I used in my own salons to train brand new graduates and turn them into six-figure stylists. You're going to learn how to onboard new hires with confidence. You're going to learn to structure weekly training sessions that build skills. You're going to learn how to track their progress and keep them growing. You're going to learn how to create mentorship systems within your team. And you're going to learn how to use fun, affordable training strategies that boost morale. It's everything you need to train like a pro without burning yourself out. And the best part? The course is just $97. Yes, for under $100. When you enroll, you'll also get my free bonus, 15 little things that make a big difference. It's a PDF. It's really a cheat sheet of powerful small changes that create huge shifts in your culture, your client experience, and your retention. And once you complete the course, you'll unlock an exclusive offer for 2 of my most powerful salon templates, my education notebook and my employee handbook. And yes, these are the same ones that I use to build my 7-figure salons. So, if you're ready to stop guessing and start training with confidence, click the link below and join the Salon Success System today. Let's build a team that's educated, empowered, and proud to represent your salon. And always remember, when you know better, you do better.